guys, so listen, I just want to come by really quickly and I want to share with you the importance of why and how you need to handle complaints in your company. So if you're at a place right now where you've been getting complaints and you just don't know what to do to actually handle them in a professional manner, I got you. This is the video for you. So if you are ready to put down that broom and boss up, then I am your cleaning business bestie. My name is Felicia, and I'm looking forward to sharing more tips and tricks and all the things in between with you here on this YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and let's dive in. So the first thing that I think is important for you to know is that anytime you are handling a complaint, you want to listen without defending. So let the person that is on the opposite end of the call, let them go ahead and fully explain exactly what is going on to you. Listen, I understand. It's not the easiest thing to listen to, right? But let them fully explain. Be respectful. Don't cut them off. Take notes, and more important than anything, make sure that you stay calm, okay? The second step that you want to do is you want to acknowledge and investigate. So what does that mean? That means that you are going to repeat their concern. Let them know that you validate their concern. And then you want to, after you hang up the phone, you want to then go to your cleaner and just calmly ask them, hey, what happened, right? Can you explain to me what's going on, etc. Never blame them publicly for doing anything. You just really want to investigate with the cleaner or with the team. And then number 3 is you want to offer some type of resolution, right? So you want to have them re-clean. You want to offer a discount. You want to offer a credit. And it's important also that you follow up within 24 to 48 hours with a client to ensure that whatever issue they were having, that it ultimately is resolved, okay? And then you want to document the case so that you can understand, even with your cleaners and just with your systems as a whole, right? You want to ultimately understand, is it something that you need to fix with your systems? And if so, that's okay. Listen, it's a learning lesson. Hopefully you didn't lose a client, but correct whatever is going on and then just push forward, okay? So clients don't always expect perfection, but they do expect accountability. So be the business that owns your mistakes and that's willing to make up for your mistakes versus just being in denial. If you have any questions, if you have a specific complaint and you don't know how to handle it, please comment below. I would be more than happy to share any insight or information with you that could assist you in your situation as well. Until next time, go be great, and I will talk to you on my next video.